Hey friends, it's Rosie from iHeart Recipes, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my oven baked corn. We drizzle this corn with an amazing honey butter, then we bake it in the oven. It is so easy to make and it makes a perfect side dish. Now, if anytime you want the exact measurements, be sure to head over to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com. So to get started off, I have my fresh corn on the cob. Now, if you don't have fresh, you can certainly use frozen. I'm going to remove the husk and the corn silk. Then I'm going to snap the corn in half, or you can cut it, or even leave it in whole. And then we're going to actually rinse and make sure the corn is all nice and clean. Now in this bowl, I'm going to add in a stick of salted butter. I'm now going to drizzle in some pure honey. Don't use the syrup stuff, use pure honey. And let's sprinkle in some Creole seasoning. Next, I'm going to start sprinkling in some dry parsley flakes. And then I'm going to zap this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Now, the butter was not completely melted, but I'm going to stir it until it is and until everything is well incorporated. Now, at this time, my oven is being preheated on 400 Fahrenheit, and now I'm going to drizzle the corn with all of that amazing honey butter. Now, while we bake the corn, we're going to leave it uncovered. Just keep that in mind. And you can use any baked dish that you decide to use. Now, let's place this in the oven, again uncovered. And when it comes out, this is the finished look. Now, you can bake it longer than I did or a little less, but it took me about 30 minutes or so. Now, don't forget, if you want the exact measurements, head over to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com. I have many more recipes there, including a red velvet cheesecake, pumpkin cheesecake bars, green bean casserole, and pumpkin spice lattes. Thanks for watching, and again, don't forget to head over to iHeartRecipes.com.